Have you ever wondered how useful that 30 minutes of early entry actually is? Good morning. Hi Disney friends, it's Joni from Mamma Mia Disney, and today we are going to check out exactly what you can get done in the 30 minutes of early entry at Animal Kingdom. Come and join me. Alright, it is 7:09 and we have just made it to Animal Kingdom and we are walking to the security gates. Now you don't need your tickets at the security gates. This is where they will check if you flag the metal detector, any bags that you have, or anything else that you're carrying, like your strollers, etc. And then once you get through security, then you will go to another set of gates, which is where you will actually scan into the park with your park ticket. So for the first set of gates is security, and this is the same setup at every park.
We're scanning into the park, so once again, please double check and make sure everyone has their tickets ready.
And then when you come here for early entry, you're gonna get this far after the gates, which is not very far. The gates are right behind me, and they're gonna scan your Magic Band park ticket, phone, card, whatever you have, to make sure that you actually have early entry. If you don't, you're gonna get stopped here and told you have to wait. Alright, they have stopped us so that we can go to Pandora when early entry begins. And this is why I typically do not come to Animal Kingdom first thing in the morning, because these crowds are crazy. You don't actually really need it to do all the things at Animal Kingdom. Since this park doesn't have a ton of rides, if rides is what you're interested in, you can do this without early entry and rope dropping. But you guys have asked for it, so that is why we are here today. Alright, we are just about to enter the normal standby entrance, and we've already been walking for 12 minutes. It is 7:42 a.m. and we still have the whole queue to go, which is why I don't typically do this ride early, because first off, the queue is like forever and I'm not a big fan of walking more steps than I need to. So when I ride this, I typically just get the Lightning Lane single pass and pay for using the Lightning Lane. However, today, we are doing this in the name of science to see exactly how long it takes us to get done.
Made it. It's important that you can all see me, so move a little if you can't. Before we send you into the link chamber, let's watch this piece by Dr. Ogden, who runs the program.
Welcome, everyone. I'm Dr. Jackie Ogden from the Pandora Conservation Initiative. You're about to experience a ceremony that's very special to the Na'vi, flying on the back of an ikran, or as we call it, a banshee. To the Na'vi, connecting to an ikran and flying on its back is an incredibly important rite of passage they call Ikni Maya. With permission from the Na'vi and in partnership with Alpha Centauri Expeditions, we can now bring this amazing experience to you. The way you'll be able to fly is by linking to an avatar that's already on the back of an ikran. Let's see how this works.
We establish a link using powerful psionic amplification equipment. A human driver is connected to an avatar, which could be physically hundreds of kilometers away. When you follow our technician into the link chamber, you'll see a series of 16 link chairs. Please go to the number that matches the number you're standing on.
All right, we just got off a Flight of Passage and early entry is now over. It is about 8:20. We actually, right at 8 o'clock when the park opened is when the standby line would have merged with the lightning lane. So that is about how long it took us to walk through the queue, about a half an hour. And then to ride the ride is a 4.5-minute ride with a little bit of extra time to get seated and so forth. So I really hope that you enjoyed this early entry video. If you did, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. We'll see you in the next one. Thanks, Disney friends.